Need a fast way to find vulnerabilities in your web app? Let's scan it with OWASP ZAP. Step 1. Launch ZAP and hit Quick Start to begin an automated scan. Step 2. Type in your web app's URL. Make sure it's one you have permission to test. Step 3. Let ZAP do the work. It crawls the site and looks for common issues. Step 4. Review the Alerts tab to see what ZAP found. Look for high and medium severity. And Step 5. Export the report for documentation or further review. Tips 1. Use in a controlled test environment. 2. Pair this with manual testing for deeper results. And 3. Combine with other tools for a complete assessment. OWASP ZAP helps you identify threats quickly. What you do next makes all the difference. Follow IntegSec for more cybersecurity tools, tips, and expert insights.